Unit 7, Lesson 2 test. Number 1. The figure below shows the process of subduction. What processes are happening at the plate boundary shown in this figure? A. The two tectonic plates are sliding past each other horizontally along the Earth's surface. B. The two tectonic plates are moving apart to create a mid-ocean ridge on the seafloor. C. The two tectonic plates are converging so that a mountain range forms on the continent. Number 2. Convection currents in the mantle contribute to the tectonic plate movement. What is a convection current? A. The transfer of energy by direct movement. B. The transfer of energy by the movement of matter. C. The transfer of energy through a solid, such as the Earth's crust. Number 3. What mechanisms cause the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates? A. Slab pull and seafloor spreading. B. Seafloor spreading and continental drift. C. Mantle convection, ridge push, and slab pull. Number 4. A plate boundary is a place where two tectonic plates meet. There are several types of tectonic plate boundaries. Which statement below correctly matches the type of tectonic plate boundary with the motion that happens there? A. At a divergent plate, plates separate. B. At a transform boundary, plates move apart. C. At a transform boundary, one plate sinks under another plate. Number 5. The movement of tectonic plates is so slow and gradual that you cannot see or feel them moving. As a result, scientists depend on Global Positioning System, GPS, to verify tectonic plate motion. Satellites can measure the small distances that GPS ground stations move over time. In what units is the movement of tectonic plates measured? A. Meters per day. B. Meters per week. C. Centimeters per year. Number 6. The figure below shows the process of subduction. What happens when the tectonic plates move as shown in the figure? A. Oceans form. B. Volcanic mountain ranges form. C. Seafloor spreading occurs as the ocean plate moves. Number 7. Scientists think the continents once formed a large single landmass that broke apart, and then the continents slowly drifted to their present locations. What is the name given to this hypothesis? A. Continental rise. B. Continental drift. C. Continental shelf. Number 8. Tectonic plates are made of continental crust, oceanic crust, or a combination of two. Besides their locations, how else are these two kinds of crust different? A. Oceanic crust is thinner than continental crust is. B. Oceanic crust is less dense than continental crust is. C. Oceanic crust is generally older than continental crust is. Number 9. Tectonic plates can move as shown in the figure below. What does this figure show? A. A divergent boundary. B. A transform boundary. C. A convergent boundary. Number 10. Earth's lithosphere is divided into a number of large major tectonic plates and many smaller tectonic plates. The map below shows the location of some of the major tectonic plates. Which of the major tectonic plates is composed mainly of oceanic lithosphere? A. Pacific plate. B. African plate. C. Eurasian plate. Number 11. Which of the following statements describes a tectonic plate? A. A continent or an ocean. B. An outermost compositional layer of the Earth. C. A block of lithosphere that moves around on top of the asthenosphere. Number 12. The Earth's lithosphere is divided by a number of large major tectonic plates and many smaller tectonic plates. The map below shows the location of some of the major tectonic plates. Which of the major tectonic plates is composed mainly of continental lithosphere? A. The Pacific plate. B. The African plate. C. The Eurasian plate. Number 13. Earth's lithosphere is separated into several major tectonic plates. Which list contains only the names of major tectonic plates? A. North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Pacific, and Eurasian. B. Antarctica, Africa, Europe, Australia, and North America. C. Lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere, mantle, and crust. Number 14. Which of the following statements describes Pangea? A. A single large ocean that formed in the Earth's past. B. A single large continent that formed in the Earth's past. C. A block of lithosphere that moves around on top of the asthenosphere. Number 15. Which of the following geologic events is caused by the movement of tectonic plates? A. Tides. B. Eclipses. C. Earthquakes.